Alright y'all, we got a 2015 model Western Star 4700. Big Detroit. Turbo diesel power. EATON ULTRASHIFT automatic transmission. Sliding fifth wheel. Air ride rear suspension, air ride cab. All aluminum wheels all the way around. 40K rears, 12K front. 502,000 miles on this truck. Truck drove in right here, y'all. Pretty clean little old DAYCAB. Pretty decent rubber on this truck all the way around. Air ride driver's seat. No codes. 502,000. Cruise control, engine brake, power mirrors, heated mirrors. As y'all can see, the windshield wipers work. Power divider lock. Y'all are in the market for a nice running good little DAYCAB, here it is, y'all. Come check it out, 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. As always, we appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.